Dancing drums, I got the bonus on the fourth spin. Let's see what I could get. Always do the 3 free games. Paper Man loves NES playing Dancing Drum Explosion Ultimate. Ooh, those 3. Oh, man. Oh, cool. Paper Man loves NES. That's a good one. That was with the ships. A whole bunch of wilds. Alright, $47. Alright, that's only a couple. Give me something good. Alright, well that's a bonus. I got $50. A little bit more, but. Okay. I already know what I got. Thank you, thank you. Try a couple more spins on this one. Paper Man loves NES. Just hoping I could get the dancing drum again, but might be best to go to another machine shortly. Give me 3. Give me more drums. Paper Man loves NES. Like it. Okay, I showed the bonus stage. We'll probably go to another machine shortly. Like it.